Our chicken is ready, guys, as you can see. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, we're going to cut it. Look how beautiful it is. We're going to cut it. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and I haven't uploaded any video for quite a while now. I've been out there preparing and making your guys' favorite sauce, which is Chef Fitzy jerk sauce. I have 4 flavors in this sauce. I have the instant barbecue mild. Also, I have the sweet and sour. Also, the extremely hot jerk sauce and the mild. Alright? So you guys can get your jerk sauce right now in your nearest supermarket. Also, you can get it sent to you if you want it. We do shipping and also, but forget about the jerk sauce today. I have a nice and simple recipe for you guys today. I'm making a roast chicken. Alright, a simple and easy way to make the roast chicken. So stay tuned while I show you what one in the kitchen.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Alright, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, we have our things well prepared for this roast chicken, alright? As you can see, our chicken, the color of it, we use some of the Zan Caesar on it for the overnight, just for you to get that authentic flavor that you're looking for. So as you can see, the Zan color, the Zan Caesar give it that color. Over here we have some Irish potato that we're using. Also using some sweet potato, the red one, and also the orange sweet potato. Right? We have 2 ounces of butter here that we're going to use. Also, we have some fresh thyme, fresh white onion, fresh garlic. We're using some black pepper. Also, we're using the Zan Caesar to finish seasoning our chicken, and also some olive oil and some coaster salt. Alright? So let's get to it. Alright? So now we're gonna place our fresh thyme into our butter here. We're gonna also put our fresh white onion onto the here we have our black pepper. We're going with about 1/4 teaspoon, not a lot. Alright? We're gonna also add some of our Zan season. I tell you, the Zan Caesar give it a nice flavor, guys. I encourage everybody to use the Zan Caesar. It's not a promotion, but we're using about 1/2 teaspoon. Alright? We're going in with also about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright? So we're going to go in and mix this around nicely. This is what we're going to use to paste our chicken. This is the complete Caesar for the chicken. Remember, we have the chicken from overnight with a little bit of Zan Caesar underneath the skin to give it that nice look that you're seeing there. Alright? So now we're going to place our chicken on top of our thin sheet here nice. Alright? So we're going to go in with our season. Alright? So we're going to use our hand to put the Caesar underneath the skin of the chicken. So this will help the chicken to have that nice authentic flavors on top here. This is one of the easiest way, guys, how to roast your chicken. Easy and quick. Within 45 minutes your roast chicken is ready. Alright, so let's do the middle part of it too. As you can see how we cut our chicken, we remove the middle part of the ribs area of the chicken. Rubbing the Caesar nicely. Ensure that all the Caesar going. Alright? Good. So you turn it over nicely like this. And your chicken is well seasoned. Now we're going to put our potatoes around it. Quick. nicely. Place our potato around it, alright? Good. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil on our potato. Good. And we're also going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, not a lot. Good. Nice. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Our chicken is ready to go into the oven. We're going to place it in the oven on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And also, we're going to allow it to roast for about 45 minutes. Alright? So we're going to place it in the oven. As you can see, I placed the chicken in the oven for it to roast. Alright, nice. Look at how beautiful it is. Our chicken is ready, guys, as you can see. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, we're going to cut it. Look how beautiful it is. We're going to cut it. Alright, Vinny, do the taste test.
Yes. I'm going to taste with a piece of sweet potato.
Wow.
That looks good.
Look how easy they come off right now. Coming out easy.
Hot same way with it.
Yeah?
Right, delicious. Okay.
Go easy.
Down to the bowl, look at.
Up to the board.
Down to the bowl.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 That for them for know some man a leader. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer. Yeah. Man a fire like a rocket, you want them, I go stop it. Y'all give me profit, some more fat in a